guys, and welcome to this Jawbreaker inspired makeup and hair look and outfit. Excuse the burn I have at the top of my forehead. I had a curling iron on my head for literally half a second and it managed to burn me, so that's wonderful. Anyways, I can't believe it's taken me so long to do this look. I know people have requested it before, but I could not find the purple capris that they styled Rose McGowan in, and I ended up finding some on Amazon. We'll get into the details of the outfit towards the end of the video, but for now, let's focus on the makeup. I'm just concealing and adding foundation, and of course, setting everything in place. This is a super easy makeup look. Honestly, it's not something I haven't done before. So now I'm taking the Norvina palette and taking this white shade right here and placing it all over my lids. It's kind of like an old Hollywood look. Did you ever notice that in the 90s, I felt like they took styles from the 50s, and in the 80s they took styles from the 40s but just revamped it. Like they gave you those like really nice blazers or suit dresses and they just put like shoulder blades in them, or shoulder pads. I mean, not blades, shoulder pads. And in the 90s it's kind of like the same thing, like it's 1950s but with a little bit more flair. So that's kind of how I feel like Rose McGowan looks in this Jawbreaker movie. Very 90s, but also it has that underlying like 1950s look that they kind of brought back, but just kind of made it a little bit more sexy, obviously with the cropped outfits and more body hugging styles. But I don't know, that's my theory. I think that's where it came from. Fashion is always recycled and people are always just, you know, going back to old trends. So yeah, I know I talked the entire time through that makeup, but like I said, it's very simple, very old Hollywood, but with a 90s twist to it. Take a plum color lipstick, and that's pretty much it for the makeup. It's so simple. Like I said, I don't know why it took me so long to do this look. I love this movie. It's so 90s, and it's just one of those cult movies. Then I'm taking this raspberry lip gloss and not like going full force on it because it looks too pink. But yeah, so for the hair, it's super simple. I love my new shorter haircut because I feel like for these 90s movies, like my hair, I can use my hair. I haven't been using wigs, if you guys have noticed, because it's just, I can't style wigs the exact way that these celebrities style their hair. It's just harder for me, and yes, I may look less like the actress or the person's look that I'm recreating, but oh well, at least I'm capturing the image. I hope you guys understand what I mean by that. But yeah, so all I do is wrap my hair over the curling iron and kind of clamp it. That's going to give you this flipped up curl look. I've done a whole tutorial on this before. It's super easy. It seems complicated, but trust me, it gives you these really cute like baby flipped up curls towards the end that I honestly feel like are kind of 50s, but they did it a lot in the late 90s, also the early 90s as well. I find it so fascinating how fashion has recycled over the years, but we just add our own flair to it. Like right now, Y2K fashion is definitely coming back, obviously, but if you look at the Y2K fashion, it took a lot of inspiration from the 70s. So that's what I'm saying. In the 90s, it was the 50s, kind of. And I think we kind of skipped the 60s and we kind of did this whole like new modern edgy look with the 70s, kind of like with the lace-up jeans and with the flared jeans coming back. That was definitely from the 70s, except we made them low-rise. So I just find that so interesting. I don't know about you guys, but I love history, and that's why this channel is all about nostalgia. But yeah, I've been doing it for a long time, so it's a lot of studying. Yeah, okay, so I'm just taking my hair and doing two parts like this and just pinning it away. I just feel like this looks really rockabilly almost. So that's just me going back. I'm so annoying. I'm sorry. I bet you guys are like, shut up. Shut up, Nicole. Anyways, I was looking through all my old stuff, guys, back then. I was so cringy. Why didn't y'all tell me anything? I'm still cringy, but I've gotten better. I don't know. I think I tried to oversell my makeup look sometimes when it just wasn't it. So like I said, these purple pants are from Amazon. So is a scarf. And then this top is from Forever 21. But thank you guys for joining me in this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.